Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can use the accessory adjustment on Dress to Impress to create a unibrow. So I'm just going to go to the hair section and I'm going to add in these bangs and I'm going to color it like the brow color. Then I'm going to scale it down to 0, and then for the z-axis I'm just going to place it at 0.42 like that. And that is pretty much it. That is how you can create a unibrow. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you want me to make a tutorial on this Ash Trevino face, they did bring back the eyes for it. Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.